purchase the Graco Ultra, you're going to get a carry bag that has the machine with the vessel already attached, and then you get the battery charger and 2 battery packs, as well as the owner's manual and of course some additional flex liner cups. You should be getting 4 with your purchase. In between the cup that holds the paint and the pump is a filter. You'll get it in a mesh number 60 and a mesh number 100. As you can see, it pops off very easily and you're able to just dunk it in some water when you want to clean it.